Aside wearing this creative costume, we were obliged and tasked to connect it with HIV. As long and as much as you can see right now, I am wearing the color of the ribbon, which is red, which symbolizes that even though you have that kind of retrovirus, you can still fight because you are red. You are strong enough to fight. What do we call HIV? Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. Now that I got your attention, allow me to formally introduce myself. Life doesn't count a number of breath we take, but by the time that we took our breath away, it means that while you are living in this what we call wonderful earth, you have to live your life to the fullest, as life is a celebration, as indeed tonight it is a celebration of humanity, of diversity and inclusivity. My name is Miss V, coming from the gigantic yet fantastic city of Mabalacat, Pampanga. And I am holding a degree of a Master's of Education, major in Educational Management. Yes, indeed, I am your licensed professional teacher who competed in the one and only It's Showtime Miss Q&A Intergalactic, and I am one of the lucky daily winner of Miss Showtime. Yes, indeed, ako nga po ang pinagpapantasyahan ng kalalakihan sa boobs kong malaki, sa balakang kong matindi. I am the one and only mommy of all time. Yes, indeed, I am your one and only mommy. Ang mami niyong may best friend na si Unicorn. Ang mami niyong kumanta sa kantang Bitch na Peke. Ang dami mong dada. May katanungan ng nag-iisang mami mo. Meron ba kayong lemon? Kasi gusto ko tequila. Yes, I am your one and only mommy. Your one and only mommy. Oh. Your one and only mommy. Yes, I am your one and only mommy. Mommy Tony. Tony Fowler. Tony Fowler na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor. Thank you so much!
Living with HIV is not an easy thing, especially with the stigma that comes in our society. But just when you thought that the flower of your petals withers, another one blooms. Just like the flowers that are blooming and the color of the costume I am wearing. Let this be a message that a hope is coming. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, standing in front of you is a woman coming all the way from Guagua, Pampanga. My name is Miel Penelope Ignacio Gonlao, a licensed professional teacher who graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English cum laude at the Don Honorio Ventura State University and now pursuing her Masters of Arts in English at the Tarlac State University. But since this is a beauty pageant, tonight, why don't you allow me to stand and carry the image? Yes, I am your one and only unbothered queen. Ang babaeng kailanman hindi mahihiyang bumili ng Mang Tomas. Ang minsang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. James Ray. Your one and only, Nadine Lustre. Thank you. Nadine Lustre po na nagsasabing, come on guys, it's 2024. Itigil na po natin ang anumang pamantayan sa pagandahan dahil sa ganitong patimpalak, may pamintang tatatak. And I thank you.
Spread the news and not the virus. Educate, advocate, eradicate. As long as it is HIV, hate the disease, but not the person who has the disease. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is a 26-year-old stunner. My name is Marge Pablo Iglesias. A half Filipina and a half Filipino. Joke lamang po. The costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Paro Paro Festival of Dasmariñas. Yes, I chose this costume because I truly believe that butterfly transform and hope and faith. And tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang babaeng tinaguriang babaeng unang aswang. At Agatha ng The Blood Sisters. And your one and only, Miss Erich Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po. Miss Erich Gonzalez na nag-iwan ng katagang, prevention is always better than cure. Especially when something has no cure. And I thank you.
Mangini, bumalakma na may nganyamang ingawan, matutulungan ng bay. MF, Ray, confirm mga ututo. Joke lamang po. Nagmula po tayong lahat sa laman, ilinikha si Evat Adan. At ang iyong nasa harapan, ang pinagbuklod na Evat Adan. Ngayong gabi, matutunghayan kung ano ang tunay na kahulugan ng isang kabaklaan. Mayap mayupayang magrasyang bengi kaya kung ang puka kong kabalen. Or should I say, anay? For the night, would only make the whole change blind. Greetings, welcoming in my mabuhay. I, Jay Santos of in my real life, but tonight, call me Amalia Marie Fernandez, 20 years old, not a stunner nor a beauty queen, just a simple girl who's aiming for a happy life. And yes, opo, minsan nyo na po akong napanood, and I'm proud to be one of the legendary Batang Contesera from Jessica Soho. Lumipat sa kabilang channel, rumampa kasama si Miss Corina. From north to south, your original Batang Contesera. And minsan nyo na rin akong napanood, pinalakpakan at sinubaybayan to the longest noontime show of the Philippines, Channel 7, It Bulaga, Super Serena. Hindi man ako nanalo, pero malugod kong iuwi ang karangalan sa ating probinsya bilang tanghaling the youngest Super Serena ever in the whole history. And yes, my dearest board panel of judges, I'm all the way from the vivacious and metropolis city of beauty, from the progressive barangay of Sapang Biabas, failing all the way from Metropolis, where the Caragan Festival is held, from the gateway of the North, Balacat City. Board panel of judges, please do allow me as I broach the captivating and image of your one of the most prominent beauty queen in the industry. Your Binibining Pilipinas 2010 Universe and compete for the Miss Universe and place us the fourth runner-up. But hindi po natin ipagpalakpakan, ipagsigawan ang napakaitim na kagandahan ng nag-iisang major, Binibining Maria Venus Ra. Maria Venus Rana na hindi po nag-iiwan ng isang kabastos-bastos o katatawang kasabihan, ngunit isang katotohanan na tagano karinyaman, ninuyaman, harap mekeng tunel lagong mabalakenyo, alayang urungan. Ladies and board panel of judges, costume is not how big, how small, how extravagant and glittery it is. It is how you justify and carry the costume that you are wearing. As you can see, my costume is assembled with the red feathers to always tell and remind people that those people who are with this has freedom and breaking the stigma. Thank you.
Ang aking kasuotang itinanghal ay nagpapakita ng isang anghel na nagbibigay inspirasyon na kahit anumang dagos ang iyong maranasan sa buhay, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. This is Josa Vicentino Manzano in my real life, a makeup artist by profession and a beauty queen by ambition. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of the one of the beautiful actresses in showbiz industry, your bida kontra bida. Walang iba kundi si Contessa, Miss Glyza De Castro. Glyza De Castro ho, na nag-iiwan ng payo sa mga kalalakihan dyan. Sa mga kalalakihang may kinakasama. Sa mga kalalakihang may kinakasama, pag inyong mga kinakasama ay hindi makatulog, count to 10, pabilangin ng 10, hanggang makatulog. Pag hindi pa rin po makatulog, count to 10, pabilangin ng 10, hanggang makatulog. Pero pag hindi pa rin po makatulog, count to 10 ng count to 10, count to 10 ng count to 10, hanggang makatulog. Take note with condom. Thank you.
Kasuotang ito ay nagsisimbolo ng pagiging matatag, kagaya na lamang po ng may HIV. Naging matatag, kagaya ng isang kalabaw, huwag po tayong sumuko sa hamon ng buhay. To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You just need to be accept yourself. Maayap na bengi kekayungan, or should I say so, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Justine Villera Benaventura. Yes, I am 19 years old stunner, hailing all the way from Barangay Manapdap, Municipality of Mabalacat, Province of Pampanga. But tonight, please do allow me to carry the image of the one who captures your heart. Bakit hindi po nating sabay-sabay ang palakpakan at iyawan si Binibining Pauline Amilex. Pauline Amilex po na nag-iiwan. Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Kalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Mga kaibigan, mahirap maging tomboy kung princess ang pangalan mo. Joke lamang po yun. Ang totoong kasabihan, mahirap magpakatao kung hindi ka marunong rumespeto. Dahil sa ating mundo, respetuhin mo ang sarili mo bago ka respetuhin ng kapwa mo. Maraming salamat po.
Best in Creative Costume, which is the first competition for tonight. Again, a Best in Creative Costume. And this award is for candidate number 4, Venus Ra.